Good morning, guys, and welcome back to the channel. It is another early morning here. I'm up and at 'em and decided I'd come on here and film a little unboxing and frankly a thank you video for my buddy Mike. I'm gonna leave his YouTube channel and his Instagram right here multiple times throughout this video, just as a thanks to what he sent me. So let's get right into it now. I have been messing around with the first package box we're gonna go through, which is an RC truck, a rock crawler. Really cool. So let me show you first of all how far I've come in the process of building this thing, and then I'll show you how far I have to go. So this is where we're at so far. I've got the body built completely. Real wood slats on the bed, that's pretty cool. So this is what this thing is going to look like. Just imagine a chassis and a frame, or a chassis and running gear underneath there. So that is really cool. Mike, I'm so stoked and intimidated at the same time at the prospect of building this truck. So I will be giving update videos throughout the build process on this channel. So it's going to be a nice change up in content, hopefully, and I am looking forward to that. So moving along in things that he sent me, I should have done this video right when I got the box, because everything was right there together, but I was an idiot and I didn't. Sorry. So everything's kind of scattered around. I've tried to gather it all back together for this little video. So next up, he sent me my work sharp back. Yay! Glad to have it back. It seemed like right after I sent it to him, I got really back into knives. So it's nice to have it back. I've got quite a few blades that I want to mess around and put some different edges on. So next up is a microphone, a lapel mic that hooks up to my phone. So if I'm doing some filming with my phone of just me talking, like, I guess I could have tested it out for this video. Next video I will. But it's really nice. I tried it out already and the audio is amazing, Mike, so thanks, bud. Next up, what catches my eye is a set of tires and wheels. For the RC truck. It's gonna look really good on there. Maybe I can hold it up and mock it up for you. Something like that. It's gonna look sick when it's done. Alright, oh, he sent me some, or he sent me a little scale dirt bike, RM250. He knows I like my Suzukis and Kawasaki's. Can't leave out the Kawasaki's. Yeah. Something cool to put on the desk. Alright, now for the heavy box. In here we have the parts necessary to build the rest of this truck. Running gear, suspension, chassis, electronics, everything. Controller. I cannot wait to use this thing. Yeah, I'm not going to pull everything out of there because I kind of have it somewhat organized. I spent probably like an hour and a half, 2 hours this evening getting the body complete, but everything made it here in one piece, Mike, just so you know. Alright, I think that is going to wrap up this video. I'm probably forgetting a couple things. Like I said, everything got scattered. So, Mike, I want to say Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Thank you again for this amazing Christmas present, and expect something in the mail in the next month. Yeah. Alright, thanks for watching. I know I haven't really been pumping out much content lately. No excuse, just I haven't been pumping out content lately. I'm going to work on fixing that, so keep an eye out for new content. Appreciate the continued support. We'll see you in the next one.